Hi friends, in this video I will show you how what is the environmental impact of cryptocurrency. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Are you crypto dreams destroying the planet? Here's everything we know so far. As the word graph and the graphs with low base to combo climate change, we have identified fossil fuels, farming and industrial pollution as a major offenders. But in recent years, discussion the discussion has turned to cryptocurrency mining, particularly Bitcoin mining, used an immense amount of energy, while the rare amount would be crypto millionaires to build the most powerful mining rig produces lot more electronic waste than the Fed bank account. How much does cryptocurrency cost the environment? Does mining and does mining and transaction with crypto actually contribute to the climate change? Here's what we know so far. How much energy is too much energy? The most obvious environmental impact of crypto is the electricity required for the mining process, which is how new digital coins are created. While most know this as Bitcoin mining, many forms of the cryptocurrency rely on mining, but since Bitcoin release, it's become progressively harder to mint new units of currency through mining. This was by design, as the currency units mined, the fewer units there are available to mine, and the more computations power it takes to mint new ones. The preparing graphic scared combined with the potential for financial gain. One Bitcoin is worth about as $4,200 as soon writing, and the current reward for electricity consumption index estimates that Bitcoin mining uses more power Google be per year than some countries, including the Netherlands and Pakistan. The environmental conscience comes from the estimated carbon footprint generated by the power plants providing that energy. And it is not just mining that use lots of power. Burn 22 2295.5 kilowatt per hour of electricity, enough to power the typical US 1000 for over 78 days. Electricity may seem like a clean source of energy, but many countries burn fossil fuels to generate it, which adds to the carbon in the atmosphere and worsens climate change. The US is estimated to be home to around 35% of Bitcoin mining operations, according to University of Cambridge, and generates 60% of its electricity through fossil fuels. There are also the issue of physical electric waste. Computers, graphics cards produce diode, ACIC grids, and more of use of mining since increase among the power translate to an evaporate the meaning of this.